Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from OpenSea. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in opensea.com and press enter. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it and you can choose your wallet to log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken back to this homepage from which you can search for various different items. Now you can also use the search box to search for various kind of videos or files that you want to download. When you find a video that you are interested in, you can go ahead and click on it and you will find the View Original Media link. Go ahead and click on this and now you will be able to see the video. Now if you wish to download this, right click on it and then click on Save Image As. Now you will see that Save As Type is available as a GIF image. Now you can click on this drop down menu and select all files. Now after naming up your file name, at the end go ahead and make sure to use .mp4 or any other standard video format. Then tap on the Save button and this will download your file as a video. Now you can go ahead and open it up and it will open up as a video. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download videos on OpenSea. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.